The Fetch API is the de facto way to make requests from the browser, and these requests can do almost anything. They can get data from an API, they can submit a form to a backend, or they can upload media to a server, like video or images. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Fetch API in JavaScript to upload images directly to Cloudinary. This simple application is built completely using vanilla JavaScript. It has an input here where you choose images to upload, and one button to start the upload. This area here shows you the file paths of the images that you selected to upload, and this area on the right shows the images after they've been uploaded. Let's give it a shot to show you how it works. We'll click Choose Files and grab some photos to upload. I've got a few of my dog, and then we'll press the Upload button to kick it off. When it's done, the images that were uploaded will show right here on the right-hand side of the screen. And as you can see, if I refresh my Cloudinary media library, the images that we uploaded are actually there. So hopping into the code, here's the HTML for our application. We've got a form element that wraps an input where we choose which images we want to upload, and the button that we use to submit the form. Everything is tied together with this main.ts file, where we set up listeners and handlers on our input and our form elements. Eventually, when the form is submitted, we go to this upload file and we call the upload file function. This is what we're going to implement today. Let's start by using the browser's built-in Fetch API to talk to Cloudinary's REST API. We'll start by defining our fetch call and giving it a URL. The endpoint for uploading images is at https://api.cloudinary.com. Got to include the version v1.1. Brad Garropy upload. Your cloud name will be different. That's mine. By default, the Fetch API uses an HTTP GET request, but because we're uploading an image, we want to use an HTTP POST request. We can specify that by providing some options and specifying the method as POST. Now it's time to tell Cloudinary what image we actually want to upload. Cloudinary's REST API uses FormData to pass information from the client to the server. Just like the Fetch API, FormData is a built-in browser API. We can initialize it like this, defining a constant called FormData and constructing a new FormData object. From there, we can use the append method to add the file to the form. We'll call FormData.append, give it the name of file, and pass in our file. Now that our FormData includes the image that we want to upload, let's go ahead and add it to our fetch request. We do that by including it in the body as FormData. At this point, we're almost ready to go, but let's jump into Cloudinary and configure some upload presets so we don't have to do anything else manually in the future when we upload images. In the Cloudinary UI, if you click on Settings and then Upload, you'll see that you can define some upload presets here so that you don't have to specify it every time. I've went ahead and created two, an unsigned version and a signed version. For this demo, we'll be using the unsigned version, but if you want to add a little bit of security to your uploads, you can introduce another server endpoint where you can sign the request to upload files. Once you've created an upload preset, let's specify that in the form data. Again, we'll call FormData.append, and in the name field, we'll use upload preset, and we'll tell Cloudinary that we want this to be our unsigned demo preset. Now we're ready to send the fetch request. Let's parse the response and see what came back. We'll define an image constant and await response.json and see what's in there. Let's go ahead and log out image so that we can look at it in the console. We'll choose an image to upload, press the upload button, and now we'll see over here in the console, we get back an object representing the image we just uploaded, which also includes the URL from Cloudinary where the image now lives. We check our media library and refresh, we should see the image that we uploaded. Perfect. Back in the code, we'll go ahead and return the image that we got back so that our UI knows what to show you after the image has been uploaded. Let's give it a shot. We'll pick another image to upload, start the upload, and now we'll see that the preview shows up properly. And that's how you upload images to Cloudinary using just vanilla JavaScript and the Fetch API. In the next video, we'll show you how to use a Node.js script that will automatically tag the images you upload to Cloudinary.